YouTube Shorts go viral every single time. People are creating an abundance of these type of videos daily, racking up big amount of views and making money effortlessly. Without wasting your time, let's dive into the process. First, we'll craft a script. Next, we'll add voiceovers. Don't worry, we will use AI for this. Then we will create videos and images. Lastly, we will edit everything using free video editing software. Now, let's kick off the process. With this example video, I will exploring the question, what if all the trees disappear from the earth, which is a fascinating topic to dive into. Let's create script using chatgpt. Here's how the prompt will be presented. Let's generate it. Now, we will use AI for voiceover. 11 Labs is a top AI voice generator. There are thousands of voices that you can use. Even in the free plan, you will get 10,000 characters with limited voices. The paid versions enables you to clone any voice. Its creator version only starts from $22. But for a discount, click the link in description and it will be of $11 for you now. Just select the voice you want to use and paste the script. Alright, we finished generating the voiceover. Now the next step is to create images for the YouTube short. Personally, I like Leonardo. It created good images from texts. Now I will write the following for an image: Earth lifeless, without trees and water. Now generate images for your entire video. Create as many images as possible to enhance the quality of your project. Now all that remains is to edit them into a YouTube short, using CapCut for the editing process. It is a free and a leading video editing software which is easy to understand and to create videos. There are dozens of templates. Now let's dive into the process. For this short video, I will use a 9:16 video template. Now I will just import the voiceover and all the images. Now I will just put the voiceover over here and all the images. Now just use the animation you like on them. Now let's add captions. Just select auto captions and it will generate text in settings. You can edit the text and use animations as desired. Now let's export it and you can upload it on your YouTube channel. Now let's see the video.
What if all the trees disappeared from the Earth? Trees play a crucial role in our planet's ecosystem, but imagine a world without them. First, oxygen levels would plummet. Trees produce oxygen through photosynthesis, a process vital for human and animal life. Without trees, air pollution would skyrocket, leading to health problems and damage to ecosystems. Additionally, trees act as a crucial carbon sink, absorbing carbon dioxide and mitigating climate change. Without trees to stabilize soil, erosion would run rampant, causing landslides and destroying habitats. And the loss of trees would devastate biodiversity, leading to the extinction of countless species. So, what can we do to prevent this scenario? It's up to us to protect and preserve our planet's forests. Because without trees, life as we know it would cease to exist. Join us in saving our trees. The future depends on it.
If you find this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. If you have any thoughts, then feel free to share your idea in the comment box. See you later in another video.